Hi everyone, how are you? Fine, right? I'm fine too. This is about to discuss my online JavaScript training. So, I will discuss about the outline of our my JavaScript training, which is going on online right now. Basically, JavaScript is a language for web development, and it is a scripting language on the browser side, client side. So by JavaScript, you can do anything from the client side, browser programming, and you can handle your web page. You can add interactivity of your web page. You can handle different actions of user. And you can control the behavior of your web page using JavaScript. So there are many things we can do using JavaScript programming. So JavaScript is very demanded programming language today, and if you want to make your career as a web developer, you must know JavaScript as a programming language. This is about to discuss what is the course content in our JavaScript online training. Okay. I am from RK SoftAcademy. My name is Robin. You already know who are watching my videos on RK SoftAcademy YouTube channel. I'm just going to the outline of JavaScript online training, and you can watch in our website, that is rksoftacademy.com, and you will get the details of the all the other things. So what we will learn in our JavaScript online training, I am just discussing here. Okay, this is a demo sessions, and I'll discuss the content of our JavaScript course. We'll learn about introduction of JavaScript. So already I have given some information about JavaScript, what JavaScript is. So we'll learn about the detail on JavaScript. Next is JavaScript language syntax. So we'll learn the syntax of JavaScript programming language. We'll learn about JavaScript variables, then JavaScript operators, then JavaScript control statements, and JavaScript data types, and we'll learn about JavaScript arrays, and then JavaScript events. Next we will learn about JavaScript functions and declaration of the functions and use of the functions, JavaScript built-in functions. Okay, so next is JavaScript date and time functions. We'll learn all the date and time functions and their use. And this is very important, is JavaScript document object model, that is JavaScript DOM. So we'll learn about the DOM, JavaScript document object model, and we'll work with the HTML DOM. And then we'll learn about other document object models, and we'll learn about JavaScript browser BOM, that is browser object models. We'll move to working with cookies. We'll learn about the cookies, how cookie can be created, how is it is useful. So next we'll learn about JavaScript objects and classes. Okay. So we'll learn about working with objects, how we can work with objects. We'll see, and we'll learn. And finally, we'll learn about the JavaScript to program the behavior of web page. Okay. So these are the course outline of JavaScript online training. If you get more details about the duration, about the course fees, and how to apply, you just go my website, that is rksoftacademy.com. This is my website. So you just check here all other courses. I am a Oracle trainer as well as a web technology trainer. Who are watching my videos already know, and I have 16 years of experiences with working with Oracle technologies and web technologies in many big MNC companies. Were holding many positions. I already discussed in my other videos. Okay, so you just go to the course, all the type of courses here, and you can go to many Oracle courses here and also web technology courses here. So I provide training all the courses of Oracle technology like Oracle SQL, Oracle PL/SQL, Oracle Forms and Reports. That is client server business application development, and I provide training for Oracle complete development course. I provide for Oracle DBA training, and I provide training for Unix shell scripting and in the web technology, I provide training for HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. I provide training for JavaScript, jQuery, PHP, and MySQL. And these are the combined of the courses like HTML and CSS and JavaScript and jQuery, PHP and MySQL. And we provide for complete training for web designing. Okay, and then I provide complete training for web development course, and I provide training for WordPress training, that is a complete WordPress training, and I provide training for Photoshop and then SEO training and digital marketing training. Okay, you just you just watch this website and you will get all the informations. And if you see here, big discounts are going on for all training courses. Okay, so this is very limited for this limited time. Just apply now and in your course of interest, and you can just start to learn from today. Okay, so here are the Oracle courses, and this is the web technology courses. You can just view the course with the details. And also, I provided training for individual modules of each courses. You can join in each module of courses here displaying, and also I provided training for all the big MNCs companies and their employees. I provided the training like companies like IBM, HCL, Tech Mahindra, then Accenture, then Vail. On the employees of those companies, I provided training. Already, I provided training all those companies. That is corporate training. Okay, and also I provided many other candidates for training for Oracle and web technologies. Okay, and you can check other things also. If you want to join my course, you just go to that course, which course you wanted to join. Like I am going to JavaScript course. If you are interested to JavaScript course, and here you will get all the content, and here you will get the duration of the course. That is, I am keeping it many minimum, because once you complete one course, you can join next course, and within this time you can learn all the important and detailed content. After that, there is a course mode. This is completely interactive course and online training course, interactive online training course. So it is not the pre-recorded video. Okay, so you can ask any your doubts, or you can get clarified on that. And if you see, course fees are very minimum for each course. All the courses course fees are very low and your affordable cost. Okay, you can afford it very easily. Course fees are very minimum, and you can see the job prospects of there are many job prospects mentioned. And JavaScript is very demanded language today, and its job prospects is very much opportunities in the IT industry. So you can get a role of JavaScript developer, web developer, UI developer, or front end developer, or any other kind of role. So to apply to join this course, just apply now and go to apply now here. You can join the course by the directly paying the fee, course fee in our bank account. To know the details of our bank account, you just email to us in this email ID, or you can call us in these numbers, so that we can provide the bank details to you, and you can pay the fees of that course, which in which course you are going to join. And immediately after paying the fee, immediately you can join on the same day or as per your convenience. Okay, if you have further queries, you can just email to us, or you can just call to us. We are ready to help you for all your queries and all your learning. Okay, so that's all for today. So just subscribe my channel, and there are other videos also in my channel. You can just watch out. There are many Oracle. There are many videos on Oracle technologies. You can those are for completely free tutorials. You can just watch out and learn many things if you are interested to learn Oracle technologies. So I have uploaded a tutorial of Oracle collections, Oracle exceptions, Oracle cursors, basic database management system. There are two parts. This is the first part, and this is the second part. Okay, and this is a PL SQL training on SQL training, and I have uploaded two videos on Oracle constraints. That is complete video. So this is the first one, and the application of Oracle constraint is the second one. You can watch out all these videos, and you can learn about Oracle technologies if you are interested to learn. So, and I'm just discussed about today about JavaScript online course, and you just if you wanted to start immediately, you can just join in the process what I already discussed. Then, so that's all. Check all courses in my website, that is rksoftacademy.com, and you can join immediately, and you can start immediately your online training course. So happy learning. Thank you. Bye.